Not too long ago, we just shared with you some exciting news about Ben Storick being with HeliDirect and being our pilot to showcase his abilities. Well, that's not all that has been done. People call him micro, but this one flies like a 700. I've been flying it for a couple of weeks now, almost a month, and I can't stop flying it. I love 700 size, 550, 600 size, love them. However, this one flies so good, I can't stop flying it. So introducing to Goosky, their pilot here in the States. Let's give it up for Ben Storick.
Hey, Sean, what's going on?
What's going on, buddy?
Good to see you again.
So tell me this. So now you're the guy here flying Goosky.
Absolutely.
So you do fly micros. Micros have their place for you personally.
Oh,
Some guys only fly micros, but tell me how you felt when you opened the box and the presentation of what was in the box. What did you think?
Dude, it's crazy. To be honest, I think it's next level, bro. Like, you open the box and, it's all built and everything's set up. You just pull it out, charge the battery, you bind it to your transmitter, and it's ready to fly, It's crazy. And like you were saying, it flies like a bigger model. And dude, that's crazy. Like, I took off. I expected it to be like, a little squirrely, like, typical micro, And dude, it rocks in the wind, and it's just great, man.
Dude, like, it's so crazy. So my first flight with it, I took it up to the field, and my flying field is called Hilltop. Yeah, so there's wind pretty much all the time coming up the top of this hill. So I get it up in the hover and I'm moving around, and Nick and my friend Nick Wisdom, he's like, man, that wind is really moving it. I said, no, dude, that is me. Like, and I had my transmitter in my hands. I took my thumbs off. And when I did that, it said, boop. And it was rock solid. He was like, oh my God, I've never seen, cause he's at the Mikado, the Logo 200.
Absolutely.
But as you say, usually with the micros around that size, in wind, you really feel the wind. They're hard to get, the pitch is very touchy. It's a lot of factors to deal with. But when I got this S2 Legend in the air, it was like solid, bro. And I was like, I can actually practice maneuvers with this that I would practice with my 700. So
yeah, that's great, man. It's awesome.
Yeah. So I got the green and yellow one. Which one did you get?
I actually got two different ones. I got the orange, the green, and that's the one I have.
Got you. Okay. Well, yeah. You're like a heli baller now. You have all these helis around. You look, they're all on the wall. And you got
all right here. I got more too.
Oh, you really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for letting us know about your Goosky situation. I'm sure they're glad to have you on their team, and I'm sure you're going to be rocking it at the next Fun Fly.
Absolutely, man.
All right, man. Well, thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Sean.
All right. Bye.
HeliDirect!